I went to Dinagat Islands to coordinate with the provincial government on some issues relating to tours to Dinagat Islands. And then finally, we realized that we really need to join forces. The Surigao City, the mainland municipalities, and of Surigao del Norte and Dinagat Islands. 3 in 1. Kaya di ba, kung hamog kita magtabang, mas dako ang impact. We know for a fact that we have less visibility in the travel and tourism nowadays, no? People just go directly to Siargao. The City Vice Mayor was telling our guests this afternoon while we were having our courtesy call that before and even until now, the impression of Surigao City is just a jump-off point to Siargao Island. Before, kumandani din na gadyo mo agi sa Surigao City because they have their own airport. Diba? So, most of the tourists go directly to Siargao. Even how expensive is the airfare. Diba, RD? It's already made up na gadyo ang Siargao Island. So, our guest was telling me, why did you not invite Siargao to be part of your Suri sa Surigao City? I told them, Siargao, bagandi na gano'n sila magkinahanglan ng promotion. Because vloggers, social media influencers don't need to be invited to go to Siargao. They will just go on their own, di ba? Even without an invitation. So kita diri, nang-invitar pa kita ang ibang ibalibad pagajod. So that's how sad, but dili man kami magpapildi. Dili ang Surigao nun, ato kultura, di kajud kita magpapildi. Mga maisog at mga Surigao nun. Na maisog na makikaway. But we really have to accept reality and we are moving forward, pushing to our limits na we really have to be competitive. Because tourism is extremely competitive nowadays. So that's why Surigao City, the mainland Surigao del Norte, and the province of Dinagat Islands must join forces to promote our destinations to remain competitive. That's why this Suri sa Surigao City Plus, may plus ka dyan, no? Kaya dili ka dyan mutugdang sa Surigao City Governor, kaya pamangka dyan imong airport sa Dinagat Islands. So we have to invite tourists to first land in Surigao City and then travel to the mainlands and to Dinagat Islands. This Suri sa Surigao City Plus is an experiential marketing campaign. That's why we have invited million viewers na mga content creators from the Visayas region and travel and tour operators, very well-known travel and tour operators, DOT accredited from Davao region. We have invited from Cagayan de Oro but conflict daw sa ilang mga schedules. And of course, photojournalists and media to help us expand our audience reach to capture the attention of new visitors. New visitors that will hopefully come again or magbisita pagbalik. A complete travel package ang tag-prepare ng Surigao del Norte with Ma'am Jolly, Ma'am Candice, and the municipal tourism officers. They have been very busy kay nag-try out naman namin nag-dry run na kami. They have invited also the local media and some of the tour operators of Surigao City to join the dry run of the Sage Tour. So we tap content creators, social media influencers, because we believe the power of social media to get the word out about our destinations. Mas Jaway credibility kung lain na tao ang mag-promote ng isa ka destination. Somebody was asking me kaina, ikaw na kang ba dyan, ma'am, ang mag-post sa YouTube, mag-vlogger sa ikaw. Lang ko, I can do it, but people would say na, syempre, trabaho man ko dyan ng tourism officer to promote. But what we are doing this time is we are creating tourism champions. You will be our tourism champions to help Surigao City and Surigao del Norte, mainland, and Dinagat Islands. The travel and tour operators are also important partners in attracting tourists. Of course, they provide platform for tourists to book products and services. So our idea of this marketing campaign, experiential marketing campaign, is investing on creating tourism champions.